this way. So it goes here instead of here. You know what I'm saying? Get your green. It goes not all the way on the green, but this way.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
You got it? And then you put your teeth on the front. And I gotta find this guy you need. And then the other one is a clear green 1 by 2.
Dark, 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 dark.
Is it dark, 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 or clear? I think it's dark, dark, dark. I think you're right. There you go.
I think it is dark, not clear. Kind of easy to find those pieces,
Wow.
It's so easy.
Wow, him is a tough cookie.
Him is a tough cookie. All right. So now we need to build.
That looks like a bird.
We need Archaeopteryx. 2 teeth. I need teeth, Daddy.
Are they the 3 teeth ones I just
Yeah,
gave
the
you?
3 teeth white. I need 2 more. 2 teeth, 2 horns.
And 2 more.
What color?
White. 2 white cheeses.
Wait, tell me the horns again?
The white horns with the one little stick on one. Just not unicorn.
And cheese,
horns.
1 by 1s or 1 by 2s?
1 by 1 cheeses, green. These horns. Wait, we gotta do it according to the instructions, kiddo. You can't just slap stuff on there. If you want to end up with an Ankylosaurus, if you want to end up with some mutant animal, then we can just stick stuff on it. But
Karen loves to improvise.
we need these things. The 1 by 1s with the
Yep, the little hinge.
yeah, those guys.
I wonder what color that is. Is that
2
a
of
dark
those.
gray?
It's dark gray.
This no one here.
So we need these guys. So you hold that, and I gotta make green cheese.
Green cheese.
Green cheese. Gray
Gray.
with a
Horn.
horn. And then with the green cheese and the gray.
This is
What
really,
they
this is
go?
really high tech right here.
Is our iPad holder?
Yeah.
Okay.
They go.
And then they go right here. They go on the ends. I think you're right. But they go with the wedges. They go on the other side with the wedges to
What is
the
this going to be? This is going to be
Ankylosaurus,
Ankylosaurus.
I think. There we go. Yeah. All right. Okay, next step. We need those giant ball joints with the 2 by 2 with the big.
But those are bigger. I need those. And I make those.
Okay,
Those are bigger bowls.
you got that? Cool. Where did I go? There he is. Oh, I just knocked us. Something off.
They go right here.
Did we
Okay.
miss something? No? Okay. So, make it look like the picture. Careful, I just knocked something off.
I did
Here. We're gonna put this on the front, on top of the,
a bigger
and then
bowl.
we're gonna put this, and then you put your ball joint down there. There you go. We turn our horns. Oh. Ouch. Okay. Okay, we need the other things. One of these. Slope, 1 by 1. There you go.
Well, they had a sunny day, and now it is just a downpour thunderstorm. That's Florida. How's it coming? How's our Ankylosaurus coming?
Just fine. with that leg.
Look at those sheets of rain coming down.
Okay.
We got up to 101 today, which is very unusual in Florida. We usually don't get up above 100. The heat indexes do. The heat indexes go up to 110, 120, but usually the temperature stays below 100.
Hey, Ma. Look.
I need little black barrel thing.
Yep. I call those cylinders.
Whatever. I don't know. I don't know their proper.
I think they're actually just called round bricks. It's just a 1x1 brick that's round.
Interesting. That's a good
And it's still getting darker.
Can I have Grace though?
Can you have what?
A Grace. A
Grace?
Grace? A Grace, they're cool.
Hey, are you stacking up all those gray things? I need some of those, kiddo. Did you steal all the gray
He's
things?
got all the ball joint bricks.
He does. I need some of those gray things you got all stacked up down there.
I need it.
No, you don't. You need to. I need these.
Dad, no, that's
I do.
mine.
I need them.
That's my robot.
Well, then I'm gonna quit making your Ankylosaurus.
Remember,
'cause-
Kay, you either follow the directions and make what's on the page, or else you just wing it and make something else. But you can't do both.
See? Ankylosaurus foot.
I like those feet. Nice stubby feet, just like
Nice
Ankylosaurus.
stubby feet. And you put
Here
it all
comes the thunder.
there.
Get ready, Kay.
Here's the other side. Here, the other side. Other side. I need more. You've stolen those too.
Look. You need those? More?
I do. Wait, no, I have what I need.
It's getting really dark out there. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:37 p.m. By the way, it's always a good time to switch to a healthy lifestyle. Try saying,
Alexa, stop.
give me a nutrition.
I like the
We got 2 more hours of daylight, and it's this dim. It's silly rain. Okay, I got his foot on now. Oh, front foot number 2. Don't like this one very much, cause it is not super.
The model is not rigid.
No,
It's not robust.
not robust at all.
Do we need to get out the craggle?
Oh, yeah. Craggle would make it stay together.
I'm gonna try to get
True.
lightning on film here. Oh, 7. LEGO build / thunderstorm. Video.
Okay. One last leg. I need the round one. I need two round ones. Did you take a
Cylinder?
round one?
Ball joints or
No.
what?
The other quarter circle. Wait, did I do his front leg wrong? I did do his front leg wrong.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm doesn't know how to do it. With air and when it's time.
What do you got there, Kay? You building a
1, 2,
staff?
3, 4,
Uh-huh.
5, 6, 7.
Ooh.
I don't know if that's coming out in the video, but that's just sheets of rain falling down. That's just incredible. Kieran is making a tree or a staff. It's pretty cool.
Stephanie.
Kieran likes
Stephanie.
Yes, that's your name.
You're not supposed to know my name.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Here we
6,
go.
7,
He's got all his
8,
legs.
and 9, and 10. Okay, I will have gray one and make 10.
Yep, that's how he's supposed to look.
1,
Now we make
3, 4,
head and tail.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6,
No,
7, 8,
no, you didn't count just right, but that's okay.
Camel. Mm. Look, you see this? I need Machu Picchu vacuum cleaner.
This
Time.
goes
Rolling
on
duck.
this one. Snap. And this goes on his backside. Snap. And oh no. Too delicate.
As you can see, we're going through some of our old sets, and we're going to build some.
Come on.
Well, kind of. Maybe I should do a video of all my old sets.
Okay. And then his head.
Right there.
Oh.
I got that way for you.
Ankylosaurus.
Look at
There he
your
is.
Ankylosaurus.
There's your Ankylosaurus.
Here comes some thunder. Show the camera.
What
I like that tail. I like that tail.
Very spiky tail.
So Mommy figured out that we have this set, this 3-in-1 creator set, and which we love, the T-Rex, and you can make the pterodon, maybe triceratops, and then we didn't have instructions for this, so we went online and found instructions to that and this Ankylosaurus, which is already being played with, probably already broken. And there was some other things, like some jets and things. So I think we just figured out that creator sets, you can build a whole bunch of things
Jet,
with.
a scorpion, an Ankylosaurus.
Scorpion. Can you build an
Yeah.
umbrella? Because wow. So
That
you
looks
know,
like a
this,
scorpion, right?
it's probably pretty.
Maybe it's a sea scorpion, like your.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
That was a pterogotus. Was the
Yeah.
pterogotus was the sea scorpion. Okay, so again, probably most of you know that already, but we didn't know that. Creator sets, you can make a lot more stuff that's not even in the book, so that was interesting. But there's our Ankylosaurus, which Kay wanted to build. So that was fun. Say bye, Mommy.